Samsung has officially launched the beta version of One UI 8, bringing a smarter and more helpful experience to Galaxy users. Built on Android 16, One UI 8 is the result of close teamwork between Samsung and Google, and will first be available on Samsung's latest foldable phones this summer, with more Galaxy devices getting it later. You can try it early by signing up for the beta program, starting today for the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra in Germany, Korea, the UK, and the US. What's new in One UI 8? One UI 8 focuses on AI-powered features, a fresh user experience, and tools designed for different Galaxy devices like phones, tablets, and foldables. 1. Smarter AI. One UI 8 includes multimodal AI, meaning it understands what you're doing, whether you're watching a video, using the camera, or reading something, and gives you helpful suggestions in real time. It learns your habits and offers personalized suggestions to help with your daily tasks. 2. Updated user experience. The interface is adjusted to match the screen and form of each device, foldables, tablets, and more, making it easier to use. New tools like the Now Bar and Now Brief offer smart tips and reminders based on what you're doing. 3. Privacy and security. Samsung Knox Vault protects your data with a secure processor and memory, keeping your personal info safe. You can choose whether to let AI process data on your device or use the cloud. 4. New features for convenience. Auracast lets you easily connect to shared Bluetooth audio streams, like on Galaxy Buds 3 or hearing aids, by scanning a QR code, no complicated setup. Support at Samsung repair centers is now faster. You can register your device using QR codes or NFC, skipping the paperwork. The Reminder app is now voice-enabled and easier to use for planning things like family trips. Several reports indicate that Samsung is aiming to speed things up with One UI 8, which will be based on Android 16. It's even been suggested that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 will launch in the second half of the year, with Android 16 and One UI 8 right out of the box. Our insiders have confirmed that the next-gen foldables will indeed come preloaded with the newest Android and One UI version. If that turns out to be accurate, we can expect the One UI 8 update for current devices like the Galaxy S25 to arrive significantly earlier than the rollout of One UI 7. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss your daily tech fix. Until next time, stay curious and stay in the loop.